Hello, fellow traders. This is Dadas speaking to you from the Dadas trading room on Discord platform, to which everybody is sincerely invited. If you wanna ask me some questions, please feel free to ask questions. Please feel free to participate. I stream my trading live every day, practically all day during the London session. Well, not exactly from the beginning of the London session, because I usually get up a bit later, because I go to sleep very late at night. So basically I stream from this hour right here, from the yellow line, to basically this time right here, when the New York, to the close of the New York session and Chicago session. Today was a day of some rigorous decisions, because as you know, if you have been watching, I've got myself involved in this pretty big shit on silver, right? So the story goes like this: that on a certain day right here, there was some discussion on one Polish forum about which direction silver is going to go, and somebody was claiming that it's a bullish trend. Well, basically what I saw here was not a bullish trend, but a bearish trend. Obviously the price was made a breakdown from these consolidations, right? And was kind of going back down in the direction. So I decided to get in short right here. And well, basically I hadn't been observing this instrument well, practically never before, right? I had been doing trading on gold sometime before, some years before, but not on silver. So I didn't really know much about this instrument, but I figured out that there's a big potential that, or probability, that the price will be going down. Anyways, the price actually didn't go down from this point, but returned back up. But nevertheless, it made a new lower high, or at least double top, you could say, because this high and this high are probably on the same level, and the price was going down again. But then this new consolidation appeared right here, and the price, instead of continuing down, bounced off right here and started going up. Now, this was a very critical day where I made a very big mistake, because I was kind of how would I say it in English? I wasn't feeling so good. I mean, I was either maybe I had some kind of some symptoms or whatever. I don't know. Anyways, my mind wasn't fresh, and basically what I did here, I decided to turn around long, because I figured out that it looks like, or at least it looked like, the market was going to continue up right now, yeah, because it looked like it was breaking out from this consolidation. So I decided to turn around at double this trading volume. So you see right here, the trading volume is a minimum trading volume allowed for this instrument at my brokers, 0.01 lots. So I wanted to turn around at 0.02 lots, but somehow, quite automatically, I clicked 0.2 lots, because my basic trading instrument, the one that I've been trading for quite a long time right now, is the DAX 30, where the minimum lot, the minimum transaction volume is 0.1. So I made this stupid mistake, and I didn't realize it until it was practically too late. I realized that when the price started going down, and I saw that the numbers the numbers are somewhat strangely big, right? My losses. So I decided to get out. Yeah, because I saw right now that after this kind of price action, I saw that now the price is moving down, right? So basically, then I realized that this was a false break up there, and now the price broke down from the new consolidation. So I turned around, and this time I turned around at 0.3 lots. So somewhere near maximum. Well, I had to leave myself a little bit of room for price movement. So I got in at 0.3 lots. Now, initially it seemed like the price would be going down. I know, but immediately after opening, the price went up, but then it went down. But you see what happened right here. Once again, it started consolidating. I mean, and this is the 4-hour chart. So each candle is 4 hours. So I was waiting until I got so frustrated because the price was going, well, my transaction was losing, making money, losing, making money. I got frustrated. I said, shit, I'm closing it up. So I closed this up at some profit, right? And then I turned around right here. Again, there are two transactions right here, but they are the sum of these of the volume is again 0.3, but this time long. So that happened yesterday. Now today I woke up and I saw that the price didn't really move much, right? It started moving a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down. And again, this made me so frustrated. I figured out, okay, what the F, right? What am I doing? I'm losing opportunities on the DAX 30, right? All the time I'm losing opportunities. I'm stuck without being able to trade. I mean, this is the most stupidest idea, the most stupidest situation I've ever seen. So I decided to get out of this, right? And so the balance is like this. I lost $531.7, right, on that transaction. Yeah, where 531.7. Now I made 0.38, right, plus 112 and 38, so that makes 112 and 88. Yeah, this makes plus 150, and makes 262.88, and this is and 32, so 262, 294, 294 and 98, minus these two, so this is minus 1.02. So basically I've recovered more than a half of my losses. So I thought to myself, yep, that's the best situation, because looking at this BS right here, I really don't know when this market is gonna make a significant movement, and it's not. I mean, this is not an instrument for day trading, at least at my brokers, because the spread is around 27, 30. So it's absolutely, and taking into account the average movements, right? So ATRs, average true range, from DM15, it basically doesn't make absolutely any sense in trading this instrument on anything lower than the H4. So, and as we can see, the market has fallen into some kind of a sideways movement. Now, if we look at this sideways movement and try to figure out what kind of formation this is, then this looks more or less like the formation of a wedge, right? This is not a loudspeaker, a megaphone. So because some people say that after there is a head shoulders formation, and when the price goes like a megaphone, right? So it goes it gets wider like this, right? Like this. This is a megaphone. So then it's likely that the price is going to turn around. So in other words, not go down in this situation, but go up. However, if we see a wedge formation, right, then basically what we're waiting for is the breakout from this wedge formation, right? Breakout, retest, and then the trend. So basically, in this situation, there isn't anything to trade right here because we don't really know. I mean, this is the candle we should be looking at the situation from. This one with this pin bar, with this pin, yeah. And basically, the price can even go back here, so retest this level right here, and then it can turn around, right? I mean, it doesn't have to, but there's a likelihood that the price will go up there, bounce from there, and then continue down, and then perhaps make a move, and then perhaps go down even lower. However, do we know when this is gonna happen? Well, no. I mean, judging from the way this thing is behaving, it can take weeks or even months, right? It can take weeks or months. So I'm not interested in freezing myself, basically enabling myself to do other transactions. Just because I'm stuck on this BS and I'm waiting for something to happen or not happen, right? When when there are situations and there are transactions that are running away, because you see, even only today, right? Even only today, let's refresh this. Even only today, even though today the market on the DAX 30 was not so very strongly volatile, it was good enough to make a few transactions, right? You see clearly that during the Asian session it made some kind of a price action, more of a continuation of yesterday's upward movement, yeah. The late night upwards movement right here, and then during the opening of after the opening of the Frankfurt and after the opening of the London session, it went up, right? So basically, there could have been an opportunity. Let me show you right here. There could have been even an opportunity right there. Coming from this candle, waiting out this price action, and then when the price was coming back, right there was a perfect opportunity to get in long, and even for the full range, right? Then there was this sudden increase of volatility right here, and so basically when there's a sudden increase of volatility like this and price behaves like this, well, then the trader, we shouldn't do anything, just wait and see what happens. And basically at this moment, after this candle, so there was like a false breakout, then a signal, and again a breakout. So that was a perfect situation to get in long right there, right? Sorry, short, to get in short right there. Now after that the market plunged, and then there was a new consolidation. Then we can see a very nice price action like this. So this was the first opportunity to get in a trade, right? There was another opportunity right there when the price was behaving like so we could be looking for an opportunity to get in directly after this breakout right here. So there's a breakout, and then we can a breakout. There are actually 4 consolidations here. So there's this one, there's this one, there's that one, and there is another one right there. So the price went up, retraced back here, and started holding this level as support. So basically anywhere on there was an opportunity to get in long right there. Of course I wasn't able to trade, so and after closing all those transactions, I had to relax for a while. Now here what happened? There was absolutely another opportunity to get in long somewhere when the price showed that it's respecting the support levels, right? So there was at least one opportunity to get in long, if not 2. Yeah, and again we have this consolidation right here. So this consolidation right here, something like this, right? And again there was an opportunity to get in long, and you see everything was working fine today. Now whether or not we should be going in on this one, well, this candle is a bit too long. The only bullish candle that's fitting, that's a bearish candle. A bullish candle that's fitting would be that one. And we see that the price didn't go, it broke up, but it didn't go all the way. So basically, in the worst scenario, this would have been the stop loss, right? But after breaking down, right? After breaking down, we had a if not here, then after the retest, right? After the retest, we had an opportunity to get in, especially at a situation when there is one consolidation here, another consolidation, and there is a signal and there is a price action of this character right here. This would have been a great opportunity to get in. Of course, no, of course not in this direction. Sorry, this would have been like this. So this would have been a small trade. However, the price action right here was very dynamic, right? But of course we couldn't know that until we saw that, right? So that's about it, because I don't trade well, at least my newest idea is not to trade such situations like here where I don't have a visual consolidation. If I have a visual consolidation, I'm gonna trade that. So yeah, so basically that's it for today. That's what happened. A day where I made concrete decisions so that I can work again instead of just sitting there and watching the price either go or not go or whatever, right? Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. press the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you about my videos. Also, like I say, please join my Discord server, the Dada's Trading Room server on Discord. It's free. You can also become my patron on patreon.com/Dada Trading System Workshop. And for as little as $17 per month, you will be granted the VIP role on the Dada's Trading Room, and there you'll then have access to special channels, extra content, and you will be able to get a lot more benefits. You'll be able, well, I haven't put it up yet, but I will be putting it up, the benefits on one channel that will be explaining what the benefits are for patrons. Okay, so thank you for today. I hope you're all well. Please be strong, please be healthy, and see you next time. Bye.